Welcome to a journey of understanding. Today, we explore a simple word that holds the power to change everything. The word is become. Become means to change into something new. It's about transformation, about growth. Like a butterfly emerging from its cocoon, we too can become. This beautiful word helps us express change. We say, he becomes happy, to show a shift in feeling. She will become a doctor, to speak of dreams taking shape. It becomes cold at night, to describe nature's rhythm. Listen to these simple examples. I want to become strong. Feel the determination. The sky became dark. See the change. They will become friends. Sense the connection. She became very kind. Notice the beauty. Why is become so special? Because it speaks to our deepest hopes. It helps us talk about growing, learning, evolving. It whispers of new beginnings and endless possibilities. Remember this. To become is to grow every day. Each sunrise brings a new chance to transform. Here's the truth. You can become anyone you want to be. The power is within you. So how do we embrace become in our lives? First, believe in yourself. Keep learning new things. Be patient with change. And always try new challenges. This is how we become. Every single day is a chance to become better. Small changes make big differences. Never forget that. One final thought. The best time to become who you want is now. Not tomorrow, not someday, but right now. Thank you for joining this journey. Keep growing, keep dreaming, and keep becoming your best self. Until next time.